Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create vision book in our Microsoft Todo. So let's start our video. So these all are Microsoft Todo screenshot. So basically we are going to do in 4 steps. First step is we need to create a Microsoft account, and the second step is step number 2, creating a groups, and step number 3, creating a list, and step number 4, creating adding a task. So basically we are going to do in 4 steps. So we'll see what is mean by group. Group means basically what we made the vision book. So basically we need to click on the group button, then we need to rename as a vision book. So this is what basically how to create a group. And second thing is creating a list means it's all vision category like physical, mental, personal, social. We can just click on new list and rename as a whatever we have vision category like a physical, mental, personal, social. These all are vision category list. The last step is adding a task. Adding a task means our visions. We are going to add our visions. So now I will show you on practical way. So let's start. So let's see now we are going to do in practical way. So this is my desktop screen. I'm going to open my To-Do. So this is my To-Do application. Now I'm going to delete this list. If you want to delete any list, you can just right click on this on this list and you can just delete. And if you want to delete any groups, you can just delete a group. You can right click on the group and here you will see delete a group. You can just delete on it. So now as I told, we need to create a group. For that, here you will see group. I will just as I told in the video, we need to create a group. So here you will see create a new group. So just click on this group and rename as a vision book. Vision book. Okay, just enter. After that, you need to create a list. List means basically whatever we have vision category. For example, personal, enter. Next one is mental, enter. Next one is social. So like that, you need to create all those lists. Now click on vision book and here you will drag here to add list. We'll click on the list and hold it. You can just drag in the vision book. You can just drag in the vision book. And second one, you can just click on, hold it, and you can just drag in the vision book. Third one, you can just click on, hold it, and drag it in the vision book. So like that, see, when I click on the vision book, it will show all those category, and when I click this, it will automatically hide. So like that, you need to create all those lists. So now I will show you how to add a task. Now I will show you how to add a task. So just click on vision category, whatever category. Now I'm going to add one task in my personal. So my weight is 62 kg by the month of 16 July 2022. So this is my vision. I'm just enter. Now click on the now you need to just click here and you will get more option. Like if you want to add any steps, and if you want to add due date like a vision date. I'm going to pick date 16th July 2022. So it's a Saturday, 16th July. So if you want to add more steps and if you want to add your picture also, here you will say add a file. And after that, if you want to add any notes, like if you want to do morning exercise, 1 hour exercise, if you want to do evening half-an-hour exercise. So like that, if you want to add any if you want to add notes, if you want to add files, so you can add it easily. So like that, you need to create all those vision category, and you need to create one group like a vision book, and you need to create all those list. So like how we made vision book. So same as a you need to same like you need to create one organizer also. I will just show you my organizer. uh, I created one group, organizer group. After that, I created all those lists: to do, creative thoughts, policy, system, follow up, task, to do. Like that you need to create organizer also. I will make on that video also, but it's very simple. Just we need to create one group, and then we're going to create all those lists, whatever we have, like to do, creative thoughts, policy, system, follow ups. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.